Hey folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacksonville, and I'm standing on the most popular Boston whaler ever sold, the 17 Montauk. This is a 2027 170 Montauk that just arrived just the other day. This boat is one of the best boats on the water for its size, powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury motor. Boat also comes with a Garmin here at the helm for your depth finding or your chart plotting or any of the needs in terms of technology. Underneath this helm seat, you have a nice live well package built in, keeps everything nice and clean, and this is also doubles as a bolster seat. So if you're up here at the helm, you have a station to actually lean up against and can stand up while you're operating the boat. Up here in the bow section, you'll notice this boat is also equipped with the full vinyl package. Underneath all of these seats, again, also have a fish box as well as a locker for your anchor. And of course, we always provide a hookup for the trolling motor, so you can actually add that at the time of sale. I do appreciate your interest in this boat. If you have any questions, come on by our dealership here in Jacksonville. Again, my name is Will Porter. Would love to see you out here. Thank you so much.